Welcome back. This is round 3 in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Mount Airy Primary on 4 and Tollgate Primary on 1. Those are the correct scores. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics, and it's between Janelle Evans of Tollgate Primary, who is up against Lexan Morgan of Mount Airy Primary. Janelle, we begin with you. What percentage of 1,200 is 60?
72%.
That's incorrect. Lexan, want to try? Lexan, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 5%. Janelle, what's the area of a triangle with height 13 centimeters and base 40 centimeters?
260 centimeters square.
That's incorrect. Alexan, want to try? Oh, I'm sorry. That is correct. That is correct. Janelle, what is 3 raised to the power of 5? Question passes. Lexan, want to try? Lexan, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. 243.
That is correct. Janelle, what is 113 over 12 as a mixed number in its lowest terms? Question passes. Lexan, want to try? Lexan, I need your answer. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's 9 and 5 over 12. Janelle, what is 0.125 multiplied by 10,000?
1250.
That is correct. Lexan, we're now over to you. What percentage of 1,500 is 60?
20%.
That's incorrect. Janelle, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 4%. Lexan, what's the area of a triangle with height 15 centimeters and base 30 centimeters?
225 centimeters squared.
That is correct. What is 4 raised to the power of 4? Question passes. Janelle, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 256. Lexan, what is 124 over 11 as a mixed number in its lowest terms?
11 and 4 over 11.
That's incorrect. Janelle, want to try?
Yes, thank you. 11 and 3 over 11.
That is correct. Lexan, what is 36.7 divided by 1,000?
0.0367.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of science. It's between Sakara Henry of Tollgate Primary, who's up against Damir Houghton of Mount Airy Primary. Sakara, we begin with you. To which group of vertebrates do turtles belong?
Reptiles.
That's right. What substance in the human skin protects it from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun?
Melanin.
That's correct. What does a snake use to detect odors?
Its tongue.
That's right. What's the name for the study of sound?
Acoustics.
That's correct. What's another name for nerve endings?
Stimuli.
That's incorrect. Damir, want to try? Damir, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's receptors or sensors. Damir, now over to you. To which group of vertebrates do dolphins belong?
Fish.
That's incorrect. Sakara, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Mammals.
Mammals is correct. Damir, some animals can change the color of their skin in order to hide themselves. What is this called?
Camouflage.
That's right. Which part of the human eye focuses images onto the retina?
The lens.
Or the cornea, that's correct. What nerve in the eye sends messages to the brain?
Optic nerve.
That's correct. What's another name for the smelling nerve?
Olfactory nerve.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of English language is between Hayden Turner of Tollgate Primary, who is up against Jacob Buchanan of Mount Airy Primary. Hayden,